All these different living form has seed, including this human. Seed is like an intention of universe on this time and space realm, experience of this physicality. Each of human being has unique theme, unique information, unique seed. And throughout this time and space experience, this seed is realizing, information is realizing, desire of all that is realizing in unique way and blossoming throughout life. Blossoming in each moment actually be realized in each moment. All that is moment by moment receiving information from physicality, receiving information from all that is and creating and realizing new realization and creating new creation. Another flow, another flow, another flow, moment by moment, new idea is flowing because it is being and presence is eternal flow. Infinite One is extracting new experience in each moment through each of the being. We can think about how each of the highest potential can be blossomed. We think that it needs good soil, good location, good sunshine, conditions. Yes, it is easier if each of us human beings are in good condition, what is called good condition, comfortable condition we might call. But actually, we never know. Sometimes what is called challenging is bad condition from the perspective of human can be a great catalyst for blossoming its highest potential. And sometimes comfortable, more of smooth situations, circumstances is helping the person to grow. All the conditions and things and situations and physical phenomena comes from infinite intelligence. It is unconditional love. Therefore, actually all the physical phenomena is nothing but love and wisdom. We don't need to judge by what we've learned as a human. Actually, journey of humanity is realizing its perfection of the moment, realizing true essence, intention of the universe, which is infinite intelligence and unconditional love. Good soil is like a spirit vibration. Each of us, each of human consciousness can choose to be aware, open up what is already here and now, open up the reality, pure consciousness, pure presence and being, which is realized as pure creative positive energy. In other words, we can call it Spirit, Holy Spirit. Spirit nourishes everything, body, mind. This pure positive energy make mind and body function as it meant to be, being aware of the awareness itself, optimize everything. Being aware of awareness, realize, helping human consciousness realize its beauty and perfection of creation. Like these flowers, like all these trees and plants, we can just looking up to heaven. In other words, open up to deeper consciousness and being aware, the awareness, ever expanding awareness, joyously, with celebration, with appreciation, with praise. Just being aware, just being allowing what's emerging itself is joy. Allowing spirit flow through its body itself is joy. It is blossoming highest potential. We can remember that now is a prime time. Now is a perfection. Now is the start point and the end point. Actually, now is ever expanding movement. Because we never reach, we never settled. We are eternal. We are always experiencing prime time as far as we acknowledge, tap into now. Beauty, fullness of now.